Hello, guys. Oh, my face is not seen. Okay. Hello. I am with Hope. So. We need to practice. Okay. Hello, guys. Look who I'm here with. Long time no see. So, where's my phone? I don't know. How about you call it using the handy dandy house phone plugger in or over there?
All right, I will. Oh, Jesus Christ.
I need to say that. What a bloop. Hello, guys. No. I am me, and look who I'm here with. So.
Where's my phone?
I don't know. How do you use it using the handy dandy wall home phone? I won't say wall, but home phone.
Wait, we're going back to the dinosaur ages.
Gotta run over here now, Hope. Where is it? I don't know. Why is it so quiet?
Oh, there it is.
It's so quiet.
No, it starts out quiet and then it gets louder.
Make it even louder.
I can't.
Fine. Hello, guys. This is me. And look who I'm here with.
Hello. Where the hell is my phone?
Don't say hello.
Okay.
Where is my phone? We have to actually, act this.
Where is my phone?
I don't know. How about you use the handy dandy house phone over there?
Oh, great. We're going back to the dinosaur ages.
All magic comes with a price.
Jesus. Help! Who is that? Look who I'm here with.
So, where's my phone?
I don't know. How do you use it with the house phone? Handy dandy.
Okay.
Dang it.
Great. We're going back to
No,
the
redo. Look who I'm here with.
So, where's my phone?
I don't know. How about you use it with the handy dandy house phone?
Okay, great. We're going back to the dinosaur ages.
All magic comes with
Oh my God! Look who I'm here with.
So, where's my phone?
I don't know. How about you use it with the handy dandy house phone?
Great. We're going back to the dinosaur ages. Where is it?
I don't know. You're kidding me. Did you type it in right?
I typed it in right. I'm for sure I typed it in right.
Hello, look who I'm here with.
So, where's my phone?
I don't know. How about you use the handy dandy house phone?
Great, we're going back to the dinosaur ages.
Where is it?
I don't know.
You little cheater. You looked.
Did
Did you write it down? Did you write your phone number down?
Jesus, that's my phone number.
Did you write it
I
down?
typed it in right.
No, you didn't. Did you?
No, I swear to God.
Oh my God, there's a bunch of pens here.
I swear to God, I typed.
Hello, look. Jesus Christ, Hope.